That'll cure what ails you. Time to paddle. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes. We, JP and I, are back in the Adirondacks, St. Regis area to be specific. We drove up last night, picked a campsite on Rollins Pond right off of Floodwood Road, got everything all set up, had some good drinks, car camping, so we're set up heavy, nice. We got the big guns. I brought the Hercules tent and the wood stove because we're expecting some weather. Might as well be comfortable. We got all set up, had some drinks. JP made an amazing dinner. Oh, it was so good. Drove through some snow to get here. That was really exciting. Winter's on our way for sure. As we were setting up last night, it was spitting snow, and she's coming. She's coming. We're gonna work our way across Rollins Pond and do the portage and head over to Middle. Portaging on our way to Middle Pond. We are currently making our way across Floodwood Pond, and we're about to head into Fish Creek. Little square pond. It was pretty cold this morning. Definitely into the 30s. So I'm wearing gloves and a hat. It's pretty chilly, kind of windy, but the sun feels great. What a welcome gift. It's beautiful out here. I was just talking with JP, and I wonder how often people get to come out here and not see anyone else. We haven't seen anybody out here paddling at all. Pretty incredible. Being that this is a day trip, I've got my Hilltop Packs Dirty 30. An awesome little pack, custom printed to one of my favorite camo patterns and a wicked cool color scheme. I love this backpack, and it's perfect for this trip. I got spare clothes in there, food, snacks, my life vest, water, map, first aid, toiletries. There's a tarp in there, stakes, just in case we get pinned down. I've got a down jacket in there. I'm ready. We're heading that way. Look at it in here. It's amazing. It is so nice out here. My goodness. Ooh, that sun feels good. I wish I had my glasses. I left my glasses at camp. I didn't think we'd need them. That was silly. What did we learn? Anyway, we're making our way across Way Pond.
Way cool.
Way cool. So we're gonna make our way up Rollins and then get into Floodwood. From there we'll start working our way back to camp. What a day. What an awesome circuit. Good fun. Oh, it's 2 o'clock and we're stopping here on Rollins to have a bit of a snack. Hitting up the snack bar. This is Greek vanilla yogurt mixed with a wild berry mix, frozen berries basically, and then I freeze dried it, and it is incredible. It's a good little snack. Yogurt anywhere. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but my backpack thermometer is telling me that it's about 40 degrees. It is pretty chilly out here, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably why we're out here all by ourselves. We're back on Floodwood. It's so nice out here. Still haven't seen anyone paddling. Just us. We're heading back to Middle Pond. Last portage of the trip coming up right now. Then we're back on Pollywog. Smooth sailing to camp. Bevies. Yes.
Escape.
Look at that. Beautiful lighting. These woods are just so beautiful. I really enjoy the portage. I really do. The more I do it, the more I love it. What a day. What a day. Fantastic. Today worked out exactly like I wanted it to. I came up here with the intent of just getting as many bodies of water as we could under our belt. So I'm trying to pick them off, you know. The base camp setup and lightweight day approach is fun. It really is. A ton of fun. Quite a bit different for me, but I like it. It's a good change of pace. Having a great time. There were some people camped out on Middle Pond. Initially, that's where I wanted to end up for base camp, but someone had already taken it. So we got the site at Polywog, which is really nice. But other than those people at the campsite on Middle Pond, we haven't seen anyone out here. Nobody paddling. We haven't seen anyone on the water. We've had this whole area to ourselves today. What a treat. What an absolute treat. Just fantastic. The lighting is perfect right now. It's so nice out here. Got the moon popping out. The golden hour. This is nice. Home stretch, folks. It's probably going to be pretty close to 5 o'clock by the time we finally pull back into camp. And that means it took us about 7 hours to do all that. Not too bad considering we added Middle Pond to the mix. I think they say the book time is like 4 to 5 hours, 4 to 6 hours, something of the sort, for the Rollins Roop. For the Rollins loop. I'm fine with that. Just poking around, seeing the area. That's what we're here for. I have no complaints. What a day. What an awesome day. I can't believe that we have it to ourselves. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Now that I've got my drink made, a little bit of food in me, the fire going and whatnot, let's go over what we did today. Today's little adventure. So, we are camping right here, campsite 5 on Polywog. Went through here this morning, did that portage into Middle, did that portage into Floodwood, down Fish Creek, into Little Square, and into, how do you say that? Copperas. Then we portaged over to Way. No way. Way. Then we portaged into Rollins. And made the paddle. This is about where we had our lunch. Cue the car. Through here, we did this portage into Floodwood. All the way back, up in the middle, back to Polywog, back to camp. One heck of a day. Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah. Adirondacks, St. Regis, baby.
Forever.
This is a Supreme Pizza from the local country store in my hometown. This is good stuff. I'm pretty excited about this.
Yeah.
Ooh, hot. Yeah, that worked out perfectly. Worked too well.
Don't die on me now. gingerbread creamer. I don't usually drink a lot of creamer, but I picked some up for the trip because it's good. It's a nice treat. Ah, I almost got you. Some pickled onions and jalapenos that I made at home for the trip. It's gonna go nicely with what we got going on here. Now that is some camp cooking right there. It's a feast. Look at this. Yes. Well, I must have been hungry because I don't think I've ever eaten this much breakfast in my entire life. No joke. That was a breakfast right there. I almost want to pass out and go back to bed, take a little breakfast nap. Yeah, post-breakfast coma. Oh, very enjoyable. I could get used to this car camping stuff. But no time for a nap because rain's coming. We've got about 3 hours, 100% chance of rain. So we watched the clouds blow in, the front is blowing in. But I don't want to just sit here for 3 hours and think about paddling. So we're gonna try and head out over to Rollins Pond and then up into Green Pond and see how it goes. It's not that far. I'd really like to do the loop, but I don't want to get caught out there in rain this time of year. I just don't. We wouldn't be that far away from camp, but it'd be far enough to be potentially miserable, and I just don't want to do that because we've been having a ton of fun so far, living in extreme comfort. So we're packed up, we got everything all cleaned up, we're ready to paddle. So here we go. A little bit windy out, but I don't feel like it's too terribly risky. I feel like we're doing the right thing. I wouldn't want to just sit there waiting for the rain, thinking about paddling. It's not that bad out. Not right now. It feels good to be back in the boat. I wish this rain wasn't coming so that it could do the whole loop, but whatever. Either way, fun will be had. Guaranteed. All right, we've made it to Green Pond. That was quick and easy. I'm really glad we decided to do this. It's much warmer out today than it was yesterday, that's for sure. I'm sweating. Everything we did yesterday, that whole loop, I don't think I broke a sweat once. Now I'm sweating like a fat kid in August. Green Pond, ladies and gentlemen. I can see why they call it Green Pond. The water is fairly green. All right, there's my first paddle stroke on Green Pond. I got what I wanted. I'm turning around. Done. Nah, just jokes, just jokes. I'm gonna paddle around a little bit. It's nice and sheltered in here. The water's very green. Why don't you go for a little dip? Tell me what you see. How was it down there? Look, Green Pond is a nice little pond. Dotted with houses and stuff. Some really nice houses too. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a tad jealous. It would be amazing to have a house out here. The accessibility to what you can do from here. An adventurer's dream. back on Follinsby. It's beautiful out here. Definitely a lot windier on this side. It appears as though we timed that paddle perfectly. By the time we got back, it was starting to get really windy, and now it is dark. I don't know if the phone will pick it up. It's dark out. Starting to sprinkle a little bit periodically. But we got tarp set up. We got everything all set up, so we're ready to rock. I'm just gonna tinker around camp a little bit, try and get everything organized and not quite so disheveled because we got here and went right at it. Tarp. We went at the tarp. Just so we're clear. Time for a little drinky drink. Some Jim Beam. I'm gonna try and mix it with some Dr. Pepper. Put a little bit of pep in my step. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm excited. I need to calm down, slow down before I ruin everything. Oh! That's the board. All right, we got steak going on here. Got some rosemary, some butter. Magic about to happen.